Hello guys, Dev here, back with another headphones unboxing. This time we are going to unbox the Sony MDR-EX155AP. Sony, as we all know, makes some of the great headphones in the world. This one which I have right here is a wired in-ear headphone. Later in the video I am going to compare it with the Sennheiser CX ATS. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, like, it comes in a nice plastic case. The one which I have right here is in black color, but it comes in 4 different colors: black, white, sea green and red. Moving to the back of the box, we can see, as you can see, the price mentioned in the back is 1290 rupees, but the price which I got it from Amazon is 1100 rupees. It also says that it comes with extra earbuds of small, medium and large size, and the country of manufacture is Thailand. Just like Sennheiser CX80 has, it also has L-shaped input. As you can see, this is the L-shaped input, and I have explained in my Sennheiser CX80S video that this type of input is more preferred, should be preferred. Okay, it's time to see what's inside the box. Here is the unit itself. Okay, some instruction manual. Yeah, and small and large size extra earbuds. We also have a clipper which you can use to attach the mic with your shirt. Now coming to the headphones, my initial impression is that they are very lightweight as compared to CX ATS. They are a bit lighter, and the driver which is used for bass is also pretty big, so I think these will give definitely a better bass output. Because of its lightweight, even if you use it for a longer duration of time, it won't hurt your ears, which is a good thing. So now it also comes with a mic. So for comparison, I'm going to compare its audio and mic quality, and I'll put it in my video so you can judge which one is better. You are the master of your destiny. You can influence, direct, and control your environment. You can make your life what you want it to be. You are the master of your destiny. You can influence, direct, and control your own environment. You can make your life what you want it to be. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe.